Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the worst breakfast foods for your health. Breakfast is often touted as the most important meal of the day, but not all breakfast choices are created equal. Stay tuned to find out which foods you should avoid to keep your mornings healthy and energizing. Let's start with a common favorite, sugary cereals. They might be convenient and tasty, but they are packed with refined sugars and lack essential nutrients. Consuming these regularly can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, increased hunger, and even weight gain. Opt for whole grain cereals with minimal added sugars instead. Next up, we have pastries and donuts. These treats are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and refined flour. While they might give you a quick energy boost, they can cause a sugar crash later in the day. Choose whole grain toast with avocado or nut butter for a healthier alternative. Another breakfast staple to watch out for is processed meats like bacon and sausages. These meats are high in saturated fats, sodium, and preservatives, which can contribute to heart disease and other health issues. Instead, try incorporating lean proteins such as eggs or plant-based options like tofu. Let's not forget about flavored yogurts. Many flavored yogurts contain as much sugar as a candy bar. They might seem healthy, but the added sugars can negate the benefits of yogurt. Opt for plain Greek yogurt and add your own fresh fruits for natural sweetness and extra nutrients. Another deceptive breakfast option is fruit juice. While it might seem healthy, most store-bought fruit juices are high in sugar and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. Drinking these juices can lead to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. It's better to eat whole fruits or make a smoothie with added greens. Instant oatmeal packets can also be misleading. Many of them are pre-sweetened and contain artificial flavors. They may cause a quick spike in blood sugar followed by a crash. Choose plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats and sweeten them naturally with fresh fruits and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Another breakfast item to avoid is white bread. White bread is made from refined flour, which has been stripped of most nutrients and fiber. This can lead to quick digestion and a spike in blood sugar levels. Opt for whole grain bread or sprouted grain bread for a more nutritious option. Packaged breakfast bars often seem like a healthy choice, but many are loaded with sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. They may not provide the sustained energy you need to get through the morning. Instead, make your own bars with nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Or choose those with minimal ingredients. Caffeinated energy drinks might be tempting, especially if you're in a rush, but they are packed with sugar and artificial stimulants. They can lead to jitteriness and a subsequent energy crash. Stick to a cup of plain coffee or tea for a more stable and healthier energy boost. Lastly, beware of fast food breakfast sandwiches. These sandwiches often contain processed meats, cheese, and refined bread, all of which are high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and calories. A better option would be to make your own sandwich at home with whole grain bread, lean protein, and plenty of veggies. Being mindful of what you eat for breakfast can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Avoiding these unhealthy breakfast foods and opting for more nutritious choices can improve your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and insights.